Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing. This one is from Michael Kors. If you are my subscriber, you probably know that this name is not common on my channel. I thought this was my first Michael Kors bag, but when I look at my purchase history, I bought a bag 2 years ago. So the last time I bought a Michael Kors bag was 2 years ago. And I totally forgot about it. That's what happened when you're buying too many bags. Hopefully things are going to change because I do think that their craftsmanship is pretty good. So hopefully I will get more Michael Kors bag this year. The bag I bought this time is Michael Kors Hudson Leather Flight Bag. This crossbody bag is from their men's collection. Personally, I'm more of a big bag person. But this small bag is actually bigger than some other crossbody bag that I have seen. Hopefully, this size is going to look perfect on me because sometimes when a bag is too small or too big, it could look awkward on my body. And I like to take a moment to celebrate this factory wrap packaging. I say so because recently when I purchase from Coach, I rarely get a factory wrap bags. Oftentimes, they look like crap. Am I allowed to say that? I still love Coach, but if I purchase a new bag, I like to open it up and see a new bag and not a display bag or something that people have returned for a million times. As you can see here, this Michael Kors Hudson Leather Flight Bag look pristine. As you can see here, so far this bag look fantastic. I have to confess, the reason I filmed this way and different from my regular sit-down video, it was because it came early and I was still in my pajamas. So for this bag, it has pebble leather around it, and on the front and back it has textured leather. And it has a back pocket that's big enough to put your phone. But it's kind of tight right now, so it may need to stretch out a little bit. So this crossbody bag also has a removable top handle. This is perfect because even though I love a crossbody bag, but I also love a top handle. It's easier for grab and go situation. But if you don't like it, you can always remove the top handle. The adjustable crossbody strap is made from thick nylon material. The material is quite thick, not the flimsy type I would find on Amazon. The design of this strap is great because other than adjustable, you don't have any leftover strap dangling around. On the front, you have a zip pocket with leather pull tab on the zipper. Similar to the back pocket, it's big enough to store your phone, and I do like the logo at the corner. It plays a part in the design, it is sleek and minimal. Opening up the bag, the zipper is quite smooth, but I did see a potential issue with this bag. Because the leather is thick and stiff, if you are not careful and bend too much, you could cause a crease right up front. As you can see here, the opening is a little tight. I don't want to pull it apart too much because I do want to keep the structural look of this bag. Inside the bag, you get two front slip pockets and a padded back compartment. So I guess the idea is you can keep your iPad Air inside that compartment, but since I don't use a small tablet, I won't need the compartment to be padded. Before I forget, the size of this bag is 8¼ by 10 inches, and the depth is 2.6 inches. Not sure if you can tell from the measurement, the size of this bag is larger than most small crossbody bag. This could be great for travel because you'll be able to pack more in this small bag. So far, I'm pretty impressed by the quality and very happy with this purchase. I'm going to try it on so that you can see how it looks on me. My height is 5'9" for reference.